Hi, I'm Griffin for Sheartak Tools, and in this video we will go over how to install your new spiral cutter head into your Bosch 3365 hand planer. First, remove the machine's adjustable fence. Afterwards, remove the dust cover by removing the two hex bolts which secure it. Next, slide the belt off the assembly. This can be made easier by prying with a wrench or a screwdriver. Unscrew the 14 hex screws which secure the bottom of the planer to the assembly. Using a flathead screwdriver or pulley, pull off the bottom part of the machine. From here, you can directly slide out the old cutter head. With the old cutter head removed, you can now slide in your new spiral cutter head. You can now press the bottom plate back on by hand. Next, reattach the outer screws which secure the bottom cover of the machine. Afterwards, you can reattach the metal plate to the bottom of the machine along with the 4 screws which secure it. Reattach the pulley to the machine. This can be done most easily by hammering it on with a rubber mallet. With the pulley reattached, you can now slide the belt back on. Next, reattach the dust cover and the 2 screws which secure it. Lastly, you can screw on the adjustable fence. Now you're ready to test out your new spiral cutter head. You'll instantly notice a difference in how quiet your machine runs and how smooth it cuts. We hope this video was helpful in installing your new spiral cutter head for your Bosch hand planer. Thank you for watching and happy woodworking!